Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the no sound detected on Discord. So go to user settings and scroll down to voice and video. Here, make sure you selected the correct input device. If I use the mic test right now, it's going to sound really weird because this is the microphone from my webcam. So make sure you selected the correct one. I'm just going to select this microphone and make sure you've also turned up your input volume. Make sure you're also not muted because no one will be able to hear you. Just turn it on and you'll see this like green outline when you talk. That means it has detected your audio. If you want to make sure, just go back to user settings here, voice and video, and select mic test. You'll be deafened and you'll be able to hear yourself talk in Discord. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!